Hello everyone, welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Schoology. In this short lesson, we are going to cover the basic functions of the platform, such as announcements, messages, resources, and assignments. This will allow you to set up your Schoology account for your students for the school year. So let us begin. Before we dive into the course, the learning objective of this lesson is you will be able to create an announcement, message, resource, and assignment in Schoology to set up students for success throughout the school year. The first basic function we will go over in Schoology is how to make an announcement. Step 1. Go to your courses in Schoology and click on one of your courses. Step 2. Click on Updates on the left-hand side menu, which will open a new window. Step 3. In this new window, you can type your announcement in the text box and pick which classes you want the announcement to go to. Before you post it, click on the thought bubble with a plus sign in it in step 4. When the drop-down menu opens, click on the check mark next to the bell to have the announcement appear at the top of your course page. Then you can post it. Next, the second basic function we will go over in Schoology is how to send a message to students and their parents. In step 5, go to the course options drop-down menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Next, in step 6, in the new window, you can type in your subject and message to all members in sections and add attachments if you wish. Once your message is ready, click on the send button and it will send it to all students and their parents instantly. Next, the third basic function we will go over in Schoology is how to add a resource for your students to use in class or at home. In step 7 on the main page of your course, click on the drop-down menu called Add Materials. When the menu opens, click on the Add File, Link, External Tool option. Next, in step 8, a new window will open where you can add a file, a link, or external tool for your students to use anywhere online. Once you decide on what you want to upload, you will click Add or Submit and it will add it to your course for students to use in your class. Finally, the fourth basic function we will go over in Schoology is how to set up an assignment for students to open and complete by a certain due date. In step 9 on the main page of your course, click on the drop-down menu called Add Materials again and click on Add Assignment this time. In step 10, when the Create Assignment window opens up, you can type in a name and description for the assignment. You can also link in Google Drive assignments or other resources you want your students to use. Make sure to set the rubric, category, and due date in this window, then click the Create button. Finally, in step 11, the assignment will become available for your students and show up in the upcoming menu to the right of the screen. Before we end the lesson, let us review a few key features about Schoology. 1. Create an assignment through updates. 2. Send messages to students and their parents under course options. 3. Add resources to your course through the Add Materials menu. And number 4. Add an assignment for your students to complete within your course through the Add Materials menu. I hope this short lesson helps you set up your own Schoology course successfully for the school year. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me at laura.hopkins@tisd.org or call me at 254-215-7285.